In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign Witness as part of their tutorial for 2023. Docusign has become an essential tool for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, and understanding how to add witnesses to your documents is crucial for various legal and formal contexts. Let's dive into how you can efficiently set this up. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. It's the leading platform for e-signature solutions, so you'll know you're in the right place when you see their iconic signature swoosh. Once there, find the Login button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Just input your email and password to access your account. If you're not yet registered, you'll need to create an account to proceed, since Docusign requires user authentication for secure document management. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. Here, you'll see multiple options, but for today the focus is on setting up a document with a witness requirement. Start by selecting a template, or if you prefer, upload a document that you need to have signed. Templates can save you time because they come with preset fields for signing, dating, and more, but they can always be customized to suit your needs. With your template or document open, you'll see an option to add recipient. Click on this to specify who needs to sign the document. This is where you input the name and email of the person you want to sign. Once added, you'll notice an option labeled needs to sign. You'll need to click this to ensure the recipient is correctly designated as a signer. Now, to introduce a witness into the process, you can add the witness role to your document. This is an important step if your document requires an additional layer of verification. Adding a witness role essentially means you're including a third party to observe the signing process and affirm the validity of the signature. This role can be assigned by inputting the required witness's name and email in the appropriate fields. And that's it, yeah, you'll be ready to send out your document for signing. Remember that the witness you add will receive an email from Docusign prompting them to act on their role. They will follow the steps outlined in the email to witness the signing officially. By following these steps, you'll easily integrate a witness into your Docusign documents, adding a security layer that many legal agreements require. It's a straightforward process, but adding roles like this can significantly enhance the credibility and enforceability of your documents. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most of your digital tools.